from Howard's in Yeovil. Now I'm going to show you around this VW Charan. This car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, CD player, dual zone air conditioning, there's also automatic headlights and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Two former keepers, comes with a 2-litre diesel engine, it gives you 138 horsepower, it's got the 6-speed manual gearbox and it's done under 36,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.